Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a Dior Beauty unboxing. Dior Beauty has always been some of my favorite things to gift, especially during the holiday season. Just look how stunning this year's Christmas packaging is. First off, we have the Dior Backstage Eye Palette in a very stunning neutral color palette. And here we have a Rouge Dior lipstick in a coral shade. And here we have the viral Dior Backstage Blush in pink. And no Dior package is done without freebies. So there are a lot of coupon codes that you can find online. I searched them on TikTok and I'm always able to find a couple that gives me a lot of freebies. First off, we have a mini travel size Jean Dior perfume. And another mini size perfume. I always like getting travel size perfumes from Dior just because they're so great to travel with. And that's the end of my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe for more. Happy holidays, everyone. See you guys next time. Bye.